So now let's look into the second measure of central tendency, that is median. So the median is the middle value in a data set when the values are arranged in ascending order or descending order. So it's the value that separates the higher half and lower half of the data set. If the data set has an even number of values, the median is typically calculated as the average of the two middle values. The median is less sensitive to the extreme values compared to the median and is often used when the data has outliers or is not symmetrically distributed. So the median is nothing but the middle value in a data set when it is sorted. That's it, the simplest way. So the median is the middle value of the data set when it is sorted. It represents the value that separates the data set into two equal halves. So let's take this class A and IQs of 13 students and all sorted out: 89, 93, 97, 98, 102, 106 until 140. So now what is the median of it? The median is 109. The median is 109. And that's it. 6 cases above: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cases below: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's our median. So it represents the values. It represents a value that separates the data set into two equal halves. That's the example here you have seen. So now let's take a simple example using pandas. So I'll write down as a median. And this is 1.2 median. So we'll check the same score, same data. Just a minute, where it is. Yep, DFM. So DFMD, here I'll take it as a DFMD median or DFMED. So now I just want to measure the median of this. So before that I want to see DFMED dot shape. It's 30. So this is even number, so I'm gonna add a one more, so it would be 94. It's 31. So now for me, 31 divided by 2, so keep 20. So out of 30, 15 that side, 15 this side, and exactly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this should be our median. Let's do that. DFMED dot median, and that was 85. The median is 85. So I have taken a overall. So let me do one thing. Let me bring my scores, and it's a median. Okay, it has calculated. So now it's a median. We got 85. So what we have to do is we have to sort this out. Let me sort this out first, and I'm gonna take the same one. Let me say DFMED sorted. So DFMED scores and dot sort sort values. Yep. So I'm gonna take sorted. So now let me print the sorted values, and let's tfmed. Okay. Yes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 85 is our median. 85 is our median. So let me get into the action. DFMED sorted dot median, and here is the value 85.0. So that's how we calculate the median of any series or any data frame. So now let's take another example. If the first student were to drop out of class A, then there would be new median. So I just want to remove this A. The first class he was dropped out. Now I will have only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So I will have only 12. 12, that means I will have an even number. So then what I can do is I will take the central values, that is 109 and 110, and I'll take the average of it as my median. That's 109 plus 110 is equals to 21 divided by 2. That's 109.5. Let's take the similar example here. So I'm going to take the same value. So Jupyter Notebook is not responding. Just a minute. I'm just waiting for the Jupyter Notebook response. Okay. Yeah, it's ready. So now, yep. Still, it's taking huge amount of time. I don't know why. Okay, so this, let's imagine 89 was remote and out of 12. So we'll take the central two values and take the average of it will give us the median. That's how it works. Okay, so now let's so this time I'm gonna remove this. Okay, finally it's ready. So let me remove the 94 and TFMED mid. So let me sort this out, and TFMED dot sort values. Ready? So now let's pull DFMED sorted, and median, and it's okay. Okay, so this is the mistake here. Let me check this down. DFMED. I got the point. Let me scores, and here it is. So now let's do the mediate. It's 84.5. See that? It's no more 84. If you just look into the data, let me bring it here. So DFMED sorted, sorry. And so 68, I got the 84 here. So below this 84 plus 85 divided by 2. So that should be your value. Got it? That's a median for us. So